In this tutorial, I will show you how to send WhatsApp messages to new Facebook leads. This feature allows you to sell more and get better customers by auto-qualifying your Facebook or Instagram leads on WhatsApp. Let me show you. Create your flow and select the WhatsApp template message that you want to send to your new Facebook lead. Go to Tools and select Facebook Lead Ads Automation. Click the Add button to connect your Facebook page to Lead Ads Automation. Now, every new Facebook lead will be automatically added to your contact list, and your bot will send them a message on WhatsApp. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.